Okay, Shad here with another box opening. This is the big Oshi, the Bear Babies Love, the white color, toddler's bed. We're going to open this for you today so you can see what it looks like, put it together so you can check it out. Okay, got the parts here. We know that those are supports, typical support stuff here. And this is what we want to look at here. Okay, that seems like a decent finish. Little speckle there, won't bother me too much. Seems like it's a decent finish. Okay, we're going to put this together for you guys. So there's the bed put together. I don't know why the time lapse turned off, but it did. It seems like a fine little sturdy bed. It's a toddler bed, folks. You're not going to be laying on this with your missus. This is for a little child like that age. How old are you? 3. She's 3. This will be great for her. So it seems sturdy enough. It's got lots of supports to keep the mattress even. It looks nice. I don't care for the brass on the outside, but it looks fine. Looks clean. This will last a few years, then we'll sell it off probably. But wanted to do that box opening and assembly for you guys so you can see what it looks like. Just a tip for you. When you do put on the metal brackets, they don't line up with the holes perfectly. That's why you saw me tilting it on its side. You might have seen that. So you want to make sure that these gold bolts will thread through the metal plate right here, the wooden support, and the 2 side rails. So make sure that those go in. Then there's 2 screws, 2 wood screws that go into the little metal L bracket here, and 2 wood screws that go in the metal L bracket on the bottom. And you can see that. But if you screw in the metal bracket first, you might not be able to line up the gold bolts because they didn't drill the holes perfectly. So we put the gold screws first, gave the spacing, then got the L bracket as tight as we could, line up the screws, then pulled them back out, and everything was fine. So just one little thing. Or you could re-drill the holes, but I didn't want to do that. This is a toddler's bed. So that's the, like I said, Big Oshi. It's a Big Oshi, the Bear Babies Love white toddler bed. Comes in natural, gray, espresso, cherry. And we bought this one from Walmart. Over and out. I stand corrected. We bought these on Amazon, not Walmart. We'll try and get a link for you guys.